Hormone-free transition. Discourse around transitioning often revolves around the use of hormones or HRT. As a result, many transgender people contemplating transition remain unaware of other ways in which one can feel and look more feminine or masculine. The fact is that every transgender person is different, and some may want to transition without using any form of hormones if they're not ready or do not wish to take hormones. Let us look at some steps you can undertake to begin transitioning without the help of hormones. Do ample research. As stated above, every transgender person is different. Their needs, desires, worries, and goals are not the same. This holds true for HRT as well. Some may want it while others may not be comfortable with the idea. Regardless of which side you are leaning towards, research is crucial before you make the big decision. Watch multiple videos on both HRT and other alternatives for transitioning. If possible, seek the assistance of a gender therapist. Knowledge is the most important tool during your transitioning journey, so it is highly recommended to make your decision only after you understand the pros and cons of the various available alternatives. Practice your voice. If you want your voice to sound more feminine and speak in a higher pitch, we recommend signing up for voice lessons with a voice coach who specializes in helping transgender people. This way, your voice will sound naturally feminine and soft when you speak. But please note that it is quite expensive. Please refrain from watching YouTube videos to learn how to speak in a different pitch, as improper technique can do more harm than good to your vocal cords. It is crucial to speak to someone who is well versed in the field of voice coaching for transgender people. Style your hair. You can grow out your hair to a certain extent and then seek the services of a hair professional to style it to look more feminine. This can be achieved regardless of the length of your hair. If your hair is short, you can always opt for styles such as pixie cut or bob cut. However, if possible, we truly recommend growing your hair out a little, as it often does help with gender dysphoria. Hair removal. Another aspect that tends to create gender dysphoria among transgender people is unwanted body and facial hair. Laser hair removal is a great option to resolve this issue. This can be achieved by either purchasing an IPL machine or going to the salon. While the latter may burn a hole in your pocket, you would have to undergo fewer sessions. But if you want to save money, an IPL machine works effectively too. Create your look. YouTube is your best friend if you choose to learn about makeup and seek outfit inspos. There are many videos available on everyday styling and makeup looks specifically for the transgender community. You can watch them to understand what you should and should not purchase, how to apply various products, and how to create various looks. Many makeup tutorials for transgender women offer tips and tricks on how you can look more feminine using makeup. Similarly, for outfit inspiration, you can turn to TikTok, which has a myriad of videos on trending outfits. Define your pronouns. This is an important step for anybody who chooses to transition socially or biologically. Write your pronouns across your social media handles. It can help you embrace your new identity and also inform your social circle about this new change. When you start using your new pronouns, it can facilitate your social transition as people will begin referring to you with your new name and gender. So, this is the last step towards transitioning without hormones. Legal transition. Legal documents can be updated or not depending on where you live, and not every trans person updates every document. A person may update their driver's license, learner's permit, passport, or other identity documents if they wish to change their legal name or gender. So, these are some of the steps you can take to transition without hormones. You can also follow these suggestions while undergoing HRT for a more seamless transitioning experience. Good luck!